Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are completely transforming how you work with documents by breaking down the Ferris Solution Masterclass on advanced word styles. We're going to shift your entire perspective so you no longer look at Word as just some basic digital typewriter, but instead as a highly automated professional branding engine, one that ensures every single proposal or report you create is perfectly on brand and instantly updatable.
Okay, let's be real for a second. Are you still formatting your Word documents manually? You know the exact drill I'm talking about. Highlighting a header, clicking bold, increasing the font size, changing the color, and then having to repeat that exact same tedious process on page 12, and then literally again on page 42. We have all been caught in that frustrating trap. It is incredibly time-consuming, and honestly, it's the #1 reason why professional documents end up looking totally inconsistent.
80 to 90%. Just let that sink in. According to the comprehensive guide by Fair Solution, that is the massive amount of time you can reclaim when you finally stop manual clicking and leverage the true power of Microsoft Word. I mean, think about getting almost all of your formatting time back.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. 1. The manual formatting trap. 2. The styles automation engine. 3. Building branded style sets. 4. Automating document elements. And 5. Templates and best practices.
All right, starting with Section 1, the manual formatting trap. It is time to stop manual clicking.
The core problem really comes down to this. Direct formatting, what you see on the left, relies on manual, error-prone buttons that are entirely disconnected from one another. It's like playing an endless game of whack-a-mole. On the right, styles introduce a totally professional paradigm shift. They are automated, highly scalable, and fundamentally linked together. You change a style once, and instantly, like magic, every single instance of that style across a 100-page document updates perfectly.
Moving right along to Section 2, the Styles Automation Engine. Let's power your documents.
So the crucial point is, the Styles pane is your fundamental control center. You simply cannot master Word by just relying on that quick ribbon at the top of your screen. You really need the full pane. You can grab it via the tiny arrow in the bottom right of the Styles group, or if you're like me and love a good keyboard shortcut, just hit Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus S.
The Ferris Solution Guide actually gives us these exact foundational setup steps. Step 1. Open that pane and keep it docked right there on the right side of your screen at all times when you're working. Step 2 is absolutely vital. Click Options at the bottom of the pane and enable the advanced view to show all styles. You see, by default, Word kind of hides its true power from you. And finally, Step 3. Review the built-in hierarchy. Word already gives you a solid foundation, heading 1 through 9, normal, caption, and so on. Let's jump to Section 3, Building Branded Style Sets. This is where we actually enforce your brand identity. To create a custom style, just follow this really neat step-by-step masterclass technique. First, format a paragraph manually exactly how you want it. I mean, really dial in the official hex codes for your brand colors, get that line spacing to exactly 1.15 or 1.5, and set the perfect font. Second, right-click that beautiful text, go to Styles, and select Save Selection as a new quick style. Third, assign it a super clear branded name, like Brand Heading 1 Blue.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is this critical best practice straight from the source. Never modify these built-in styles directly. Instead, create custom styles based on them so updates remain linked. Basically, when you set up your shiny new brand heading 1, you have to tell Word that this style is based on Word's built-in heading 1. This ensures the whole shebang, all of Word's background automation, still actually recognizes it as a primary heading. So to build a complete unified branded suite, you're going to need a few core elements. Think of this as your toolkit. You need a brand title, brand headings 1 and 2, a brand body text for your standard paragraphs, a brand caption for your figures, and even a brand logo placeholder character style for inline logos. Once you've created these, you just save the whole selection as a new quick style set. Let's call it something like Company Brand 2026.
Okay, Section 4, Automating Document Elements. Let's automate all that repetitive stuff. Because your document is now speaking Word's language through those linked styles, you unlock some incredible automated features. We are talking an instant table of contents that generates flawlessly because it knows exactly what text is a heading 1. Multi-level numbering, like 1.1 or 1.1.1, that never breaks when you shuffle paragraphs around. Dynamic cross-references and auto-updating captions. You literally never have to type figure 4 manually ever again. The software simply handles it for you. How cool is that?
And finally, Section 5. Templates and best practices. Time to secure your legacy. So how do we lock this in so you never repeat the work? First, set up a pristine, blank document containing your new branded style set, headers, footers, and logos. But instead of saving it as a normal document, you save as a Word template. That's a .xts file. You then store this template on your company's SharePoint or OneDrive. Now, every single time a colleague hits New Document, boom, they are starting with a perfectly branded, fully automated foundation.
The Ferris Solutions Guide also highlights some advanced management tools to help you maintain order. The Style Inspector is great for clearing formatting overrides. Reveal Formatting, which you get with Shift plus F1, lets you instantly compare text to your styles. But the absolute secret weapon here? It's Restrict Formatting. Found under the Review tab, this tool literally allows you to lock the document down, forcing users to only use your approved styles. No more rogue fonts creeping into your company proposals.
I really want to leave you with this highly practical tip from the guide. Limit to 8 to 12 core styles for most documents. Look, it's super easy to get overly excited and create 50 different styles, but trust me, that just creates a messy, unmanageable system. Keep your style set lean. This not only keeps things simple for your team, but it actually ensures logical heading levels and contrast ratios, which is absolutely crucial for remaining WCAG accessible and compliant.
So, what does this all mean? We have to ask the ultimate question. Are you ready to stop formatting and start automating? By taking just 1 hour to master these advanced styles techniques, you will completely transform your workflow. You are going to produce documents that look instantly professional, update in literal seconds, and consistently represent your brand with absolute precision.
You now have the exact blueprint to turn Microsoft Word from a simple text editor into a fully scalable document automation engine. Stop clicking that bold button, build your templates, and reclaim your time. For more, visit our website, Ferris Solution.